So guys, I'm gonna be doing challenge. We have to beat my personal best in 9 circles, and my personal best is 46%. So let's get started. No. Oh, this ship is so hard.
A few moments later.
Oh, hey. Bro, I almost did it. Bro, jump! Not this stupid glitch again.
A few years later.
Finally, let's go.
Moments later.
I really gotta practice this football. I'm gonna do it first time. Oh no, my head. So let's go. Oh, I got it. Here we go.
A few moments later.
No! Dude, I almost attempted it. Let's go. Go. Let's leave now. This one.